Alright, babe, I'm going quick for the game.
These are meant for water, not
Quick.
watermelons.
I'm going quick for the
Ever since I met you, I cannot forget you. You've been running on my mind. Ever since I met you, now I know that you're special. You've been running on my mind. You've been running on my mind. I've been running circles trying to find someone like you, but you're one of a kind. I've been trying to figure out the reason that I lost you, cause ever since I lost you, I feel lost all the time. Tell me what you need, I'll get that. You the one for me, I lost you, I regret that. Please let me fix the things I couldn't fix before.
What's good, CJ Nation?
Welcome
back to
another
another video. It's your girl Jazz.
And it's your boy Chris here with the watermelon.
And
I was
you
not trying to
guys-
flex right there, y'all. I promise you.
You guys should already know what's going on. This is
With the
our
rubber bands and the watermelon.
this is our first time doing this,
first time.
so
Do not let
I'm
this
kind of
flop.
scared.
Don't let this flop.
As you can tell, it looks like it's gonna rain. It doesn't really look
Yeah.
like it back there over
Doesn't
here.
this look like our bed?
Chris, that's so rude. Anyways,
Just your shoulders.
oh my God, there's a whole bunch of gnats out here, Ben.
Alright, come on, let's get this video
All right,
started.
we're gonna go straight into the video because we don't want it to start raining because that would be horrible.
And we do not
got some
want-
goggles here just in case.
Just in case.
We're gonna put them on when it looks like it's about to start
Queso
to
with the queso.
explode. You ready, babe? Oh,
Ready.
also we have a little twist to it. We're gonna see who can pop theirs or explode theirs
Fastest.
first. Yeah, ready?
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna dump all these rubber bands out.
I think that's good. Don't dump the third bag out, Ben. This is a lot.
We'll keep
This
it
should be enough. This should be more than enough.
Guys,
You think
this is a lot.
Yo, I'm afraid of rubber bands. I'm scared to like even stretch this out. All right, ready?
Alright, you get to start with one in your hand. Yours is a lot slimmer than mine, babe.
One. Babe, we all know you're faster than me though, so come on, give me a break.
1,
Just give me a head start.
2, 3, go.
I swear, if one breaks, I'm gonna scream. I've never freaking done this before, so I'm scared. Wait, babe, wait for me.
Gotta go fast, babe. I wanna see this explode already.
I already got something in my eye. It broke? Dang, now you're scaring me.
Nah, I didn't break it, just slipped off the top.
I'm so scared. Are you scared, babe?
No,
Babe, if
really.
yours is about to explode, you gotta let me know so I can back up.
Heck nah, I'm gonna let this junk explode in your face, yo. Boom!
Don't scare me. I'm struggling.
Y'all, comment down below
Who you think is gonna explode first?
whose watermelon y'all think is gonna. Mine is fatty.
I think mine's gonna explode first. Look how many rubber bands I got on.
Look at mine.
Oh my God, mine's already freaking getting squished.
Nah, you Kevin, yeah. Y'all think-
How are you beating me?
Y'all think will explode first. Babe, I can have a million rubber bands in front of you, and mine still not explode.
I feel like mine just needs to be all on one spot.
Mine's tipping over. I know, I hate it. Watch the truck explode and hit me in the face, like, bro. People probably driving by, like, what the heck is the... How do you get up?
Yo, I'm gonna look silly with them goggles on.
You low-key can't wait to put them Johns. I don't know.
I'm just scared. I want to put them on right now. How many?
We got a
I
time
should have
lapse.
like searched this up.
What?
How long it's gonna take? How many rubber bands it's gonna take?
Are you counting your rubber bands? I'm at 102.
You're lying.
Yeah.
I haven't even counted. That's not fair.
I'm just playing. I made up a random number.
Jeez, you scared me. This poor watermelon is like,
I'm gonna eat this John when
you
I'm
better
done.
catch them.
Crazy. I'm
Why'd you say that?
I don't know, dude. I'm feeling cool with the watermelon today. Now I'm playing. I'm beating you, babe.
Babe, I'm putting my goggles on. Can you take a break?
What the heck?
These goggles are really tight. Okay.
You wildin'. I just did
I
5
can't
rubber
even
bands.
breathe with these. Oh no, I can't breathe with these.
Now I did 10.
Babe, what are we gonna do? I can't breathe with them Johns on.
Y'all, I honestly think her watermelon, as much rubber bands as I got ahead of her, I really think hers is gonna pop first.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
One, because all your like things are all like together. Oh no, they're not. What the heck am I talking about?
We've been through a lot of rubber bands already, and honestly, no type of movement.
Then how am I still in front of you?
Damn, babe, you're lucky. Mine don't look nothing like that.
Like what?
All together.
Because you're putting them all separate, babe. Babe, that's never gonna pop. Yo, that's never gonna pop.
Can you pause for a sec for me?
Ah. Froze.
I never said play. I keep running into these.
Into what? Rubber bands?
No, the ones that are put together.
It's getting hot in here. So pop your watermelon. Y'all subscribe if y'all haven't. There'll be more crazy challenges. This one ain't crazy.
I never in my life thought I'd do this. This challenge. Y'all don't mind my hair. It was just a quick little thing. I had no gel, so I couldn't do my baby hairs. I couldn't spray my edges.
She tried though. With
I
no
used,
gel.
I used water. Damn, babe. I'm not even close to you. You don't even look like you're getting anywhere.
Just don't look at my watermelon. Pay attention to your watermelon.
Hey, let's do a deal. Listen.
Bro, Chris's is gonna pop before mine. I already know it.
If my watermelon pops before hers,
He's a cheater.
y'all have to subscribe,
Oh, then I'm gonna take my time.
turn the post notification on. Now you gotta speed. You gotta turn the post notification on, subscribe, like this video. And y'all
What
just
if this just pops out of nowhere and it doesn't look like it's supposed to?
and y'all just did yourself a dealio.
How many do you have on? We should have counted.
Restart.
Yeah.
Damn, babe, I found a really easy way to do this.
Did you know?
Look,
You're copying me! Oh, you're copying me! I just found a good way to try to beat you and you're copying me!
you beating me? I need to win this so these people could subscribe, yo. Bugging.
If it wasn't so hot outside, I'd put my goggles on right now because honestly, I'm scared for my life. I'm not trying to be blind at the end of this challenge.
Yo, I see no difference in this thing.
Don't hit it too much. You can't trust that. Oh my god!
Huh?
I'm gonna leave it in there.
Boom!
Chris!
I'm copying you all the way now.
Come on! That's not fair! I got my techniques, you need to find your own.
You're right. Don't be a follower.
Yeah, be a leader like me.
The heck am I missing here? These rubber bands are making my fingers feel some type of way.
Yeah, right? Like rubbery.
Yeah. It smells too.
Ew, I don't...
This is a lot of rubber bands though.
Watch this explode my face. I'm gonna get real close to it. Like,
I hope these rubber bands are small enough. They actually got them smaller, right?
smaller. Thank you. Should have got a bigger watermelon.
Yeah, thank you for still being here.
Thank you for still being watching the process of such a lame.
Video. It's not lame.
It'll be
It's
exciting
not
when y'all
lame.
see
Yeah,
it
it's not
going
gonna be
forward.
lame. Yeah. I promise y'all that. Most of them supposed to be. If you're still here, you're a real one. Babe, do you want to start putting your goggles on? We don't know when this watermelon wants to explode. It could explode right now if it feels like. It's all up to him. Or her.
Babe, mine doesn't even look like it's like.
Yeah, but you don't know. Maybe you don't want to look squished.
Mine does look squished actually. If you look at it real close. So it's in like where all the rubber bands are at. Yours doesn't because your rubber bands are like here, here, here.
Well,
here,
good. They're
here,
giving it more pressure everywhere. So that mother is going to explode.
Y'all, mine's gotta pop first so y'all can subscribe. Like this video.
Bro, imagine we go through all these rubber bands and it don't pop. I'm going to pop it on your head.
Gotta go buy some more.
Chris! That was not funny. Only the sun could come out and give us that good lighting. Why does it look like the sun's over there?
What? So you okay with that?
Not really, look. That hurts so
You got all them
bad.
rubber bands all stuck up in there and junk.
Because I had it under here and I was bringing them up, but it's okay. It gives it more pressure. It's a little technique of mine.
Yeah, alright.
Ew, I just got watermelon in my nail.
I've been getting that. You talking about the guy that put them in?
Babe, yours is getting squished.
Yeah, it is. I can tell.
Stop, don't do that. Babe, yours is about to explode. Put them goggles on. Oh, Jesus. I'm putting my goggles on because I'm not trusting this. I don't care how hot it gets. Why are these goggles so tight, though?
Babe, just do yours over there, babe.
Where?
Over there.
These are so tight.
Loosen them up, babe.
That's the loosest they go.
Wait, not? You wildin'?
Ouch. What's the point? Hey, how did you get them so loose? Baby, put yours on.
By my face, you could kind of tell that now I'm getting kind of scared. You could tell. You could tell that's getting kind of like squished.
I should have never got one that covers my nose.
We're gonna 4 all at once.
I can't breathe with these on. Ouch, babe. I cut my finger with the rubber band.
Oh, baby.
Oh, it burns.
Oh, baby, you okay? Your skin.
Great. That's not fair. Now I got a broken finger. Oh, no.
Alright, now I'm getting kind of scared. This joint look like it's about to pop. Let me go pop. Let me go pop.
My finger hurts. That's hard. Mine don't even look. Babe. What happened? What happened?
You fling the rubber band and hit me in my eye.
Oh my god, baby, I'm so sorry. Let me give a kissy. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Boom! Yeah. Look at him.
Scared me.
Huh?
You scared me.
No, it did hit me in my eye though. But enough to scare my life. On everything I look, you can see it in the video. Look at it right
I'm sweating.
It
I'm
pop-
sorry, babe.
It popped up and hit me in my freaking eyeball.
Do I want to sweat or do I want watermelon in my eye? That's something I've been trying to decide now. To be honest, I think I'm gonna just back off. You won already. We could just eat this watermelon ourselves.
Nah, babe. This is part of the challenge.
Yeah, babe, but you already won. Mine's not even close to looking like that. I'm not trying to die.
Yeah, babe.
I'm not trying to die, babe.
From now on out, every rubber band that you get,
I've been
put it
trying to,
put it in the middle like this. Look. You go right here, look. Put it in the middle. You go over. Put it in the middle.
That's crazy that I was going to make cups. Because my fingers are so dry. Chris, yours is going to explode.
This is a dangerous challenge.
Babe, can you at least let me catch up to you? Like,
Go ahead.
You're making me nervous. Careful, don't move it. Hey, I'm not done. My goggles are getting foggy. Oh, they're foggy on the inside. This cut really hurts, so that's not fair, guys. Okay. Kill us now. Let me know if you see it's about to explode.
I think you can tell because all the ones I watch, you can see them start cracking and then out of nowhere they just like blow up and fly.
Y'all.
in the air.
I'm literally sweating. Chris, that's gonna explode.
Look at it right here. Damn.
Mine's not even going in, babe. Not even a little bit. Can you help me? Make mine almost like yours, and then we can go from there. To see who's gonna explode first. This cup really hurts.
Oh hell no.
What?
You know what I just thought?
What?
When this John pops, yeah, the watermelon might fly everywhere, but these rubber bands finna hit us.
Oh my god! Chris, I gotta be back. Like, I gotta be focused on yours. That's why they do one.
Oh. Oh my god. Alright, stop messing with me, man.
You did that to me like 3 times this video, babe.
Oh my goodness, babe.
Chris. Oh my god!
Come
Can I
on.
help you with yours, babe?
No.
Come on, I gotta pay attention to yours. Babe, watermelon hurts. That's like throwing that whole thing at someone's head. How about you do one, I do one. Your turn now. Never mind, I can do another one. Now it's your turn. Never mind, I can do another one. Now it's your turn. Okay, my turn. Okay, your turn. Never mind, my turn again. Your turn. My turn. Your turn.
Oh, babe.
Put your goggles on. My turn. Your turn.
I'm gonna just do a whole bunch of them fast.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna do.
Why do I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself in this challenge?
Why do I feel like it's getting squished right here the most?
Babe, we know this watermelon's not going nowhere.
Babe, yes. Ah!
What happened?
Babe, it is going somewhere, babe. You can see it.
Where?
Babe, you can tell it's going in right there. Come on, just keep going.
You're just trying to find a spot to say it's going in.
You want to try? You want to have mine?
Oh, I don't want to have it. I want you to make mine like yours.
Come on, babe. We gotta get this video.
It's just like I got a boo-boo and I'm hot.
We gotta do this quick, babe, so they don't click off.
I'll just start with that one.
Oh, this is scary as heck.
Oh my god, it's gonna explode. Look at the sides of it.
Show the camera.
Oh yes, thank you, Ben. Let me catch up.
Yo, look at this.
We should do that more often, Ben.
Halfway there, y'all. Only halfway there.
Only. I think it's already there. Chris, I feel like this is gonna be like a big explosion. It's gonna cause it to fly out of here like that.
What the heck? I'm gonna watch you fake it.
Nah, I'm gonna be too scared to fake it.
It's cracking. No, you can hear it inside.
It's cracking?
Yeah, you can hear it inside bubbling. So, here. Boom! Thanks. Yeah, come on. Here.
Don't
Please,
scare me, babe.
I promise you, I'm not gonna scare you.
Oh, Chris is about to blow up. It's about to blow up. Boom! Bro, it's really about to blow up, y'all.
Boom! Let me show them one more time. Now that it's getting me. Yup. This
These
junk,
rubber bands are messing my hands up.
this junk look like a calabaza.
They're not messing your hands up? Look. They're cutting me everywhere.
I just,
Oh, I thought you were bleeding. That's not blood, right?
yeah, that's what it is.
No, that's Takis.
That is
Babe, I can't do this no more.
What?
They're messing my hands up. It hurts. Y'all, I'm forfeiting. This is as far as I got. But don't scare me, okay, babe?
Oh my god.
I can't put one on because my fingers.
Go. Watch out, baby.
Oh, baby, I can't. I'm just gonna watch you. I'll be your hype man. You got this, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What are you doing? Really?
I ain't getting hit today.
Babe, that's not fair. It's okay, I'll be back. Oh, what? What happened? What happened?
That junk fell over. I thought about to blow.
You got this, baby. Be careful. You don't want to have your goggles on, babe.
I'm putting, look, hey, for y'all.
Y'all
Quarter
make me
rinse.
nervous. You know you can go blind, right, baby? One of them in your eye.
Not if I have my eyes closed.
Oh my god!
Tense.
There's a meme that says that.
Oh my god!
Y'all, I'm scared. I don't know how water. Oh my god!
I don't know how this is gonna
it
end.
feels to get hit by a watermelon.
Get it juicy up in here.
If you ever plan on doing this challenge, I recommend you to not use goggles. Use the clear glasses. The nice, fancy clear glasses that everyone uses. You can't breathe in these. Then it gets foggy. You try to breathe.
Alright, babe, I'm going quick for the game.
These are meant for water,
Going
not
quick.
watermelons.
I'm going quick for the
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yo!
Oh my god! Yo, look at this! Oh, it's dripping juice. Oh my goodness! I didn't even get to see it. I'm over here talking about goggles.
Mama, this John popped and like went boom. Like
Did it
that.
hurt you?
No, not really.
And I still, to this day, don't know what it feels like to get hit by a watermelon.
Psych.
Alright, y'all, that is the end of the watermelon explosion challenge or whatever you call
Watermelon.
this.
Versus watermelon versus
Rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for Team Chris because he did that.
Go down in the comment section down below and comment Team Chris all the way because you already know how we get down. Pranks on pranks, challenges on challenges, and I'm always just a winner.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we will see y'all in the next. Peace.
Peace. Peace. Peace. Peace. Peace.